After you've explored a variety of solutions to our design problem of creating an interior in one-point perspective, it's time to take that sketch to a finished drawing. Remember, this part of our Final Fantasy landscape will be in one-point perspective. This means it will have a horizon line and one vanishing point to construct the illusion of depth. Having your sketch out as a point of reference is a good idea. Having your construction drawings out where you made an interior and an exterior along with the videos is also a good idea. In this way, you will be reminded of the steps you used to create those as you're working on the final piece. I like to start by lightly roughing or blocking in shapes in my composition. That way I am confident in their placement right at the beginning and do not need to do a lot of adjusting as I'm working. As you are working through this drawing, it is important to draw lightly. That way mistakes can be easily erased. Some key things to remember as you are drawing are: all converging lines must use the vanishing point on the horizon line to construct the shapes. Don't become overwhelmed by what at first appears to be complex objects. Complex things like desks, bookshelves, chairs, even toilets can all be broken down into simple shapes first. We can begin by constructing a box in perspective and then alter it to add more shapes and have it resemble that more complicated object. Use reference as often as you need, even if it's not from the same perspective that you're trying to construct. Using photo reference will only make your drawings more believable. Add detail to your artwork. The more objects you put into your scene, the more engaged your viewer will be with your work. This will also enhance the meaning you create in the artwork. The more objects in the scene, the easier the viewer can pick out the visual symbols depicted and decipher your intended meaning better.